Okay, welcome to lesson two. So today the students will present their work for their part one lesson. So this is just the preliminary reporting for the student. They will present each work uh, in accordance with the lesson one on database management system. Uh, the folder that they are holding right now is their first project, is the first development of the lesson one project. Now, later on, as we move on, we will determine which project needs to be reinforced and needs development. Okay, Sawadee Kap. Good afternoon, students. Okay, so what are we going to do today is the recap of lesson one. But today is the lesson two. We're only going to do our recap, like what we studied before on the lesson one. So we were studying database management system. We already presented about the PowerPoint slides on how to make a database management system. And now we are doing Visual Basic 6. Visual Basic 6 applying to database management system. So I have given you an example like this, okay, and I ask you to do a simulation and application of the project. Now, later, each one of you, I will check your work, so you need to present it partly, okay, so this is just the part one. So I told you to design each forms and apply all the labels, the information that is needed. You have your own given assignments and your project on your database management system. So this is just the recap of lesson one. So we will study today is the lesson two. Lesson two is the adaptation of what you have learned on lesson one. So on this lesson two, we will know who needs reinforcements, number one, and who needs additional assistance for the development of your project. And but I will first, okay, assess you and then evaluate your work. All right? Okay? I don't hear you, okay? Okay, very good. Okay. Now I will ask the students about their work of what kind of system did they make on their project. Okay. What is your project about? Finance. How about you? Accounting. All right. How about you? Application. How about you? Attendance. How about you? Storage. How about you? Grading. Oh, wow. How about you? Marketing. And you? Business. Wow. Order system. Wow. How about you? Accounting too. And what is it? What is your system? Again, what is your system? Cashier. How about you? Inventory. Buy and sell. And you? Product. Okay. So each student have their own this database management system. So later on, I will assess their work of each work, and each student will present their work. Okay, right now I'm checking the students' work because the draft of their work must be equal or must match their system. Now, analyzing the forms and the codes, they should match the code. So each programmer must understand when you see the code, you already know what's the output. All right. So so far his work is okay. The design is okay. So um, as you can see here, this is the um, draft of the database management system that he did. Okay. Now the second one. Okay. So this one is okay. So as you can see, um, this images matches the Visual Basic 6. So, but the output is different when you play the program. Okay. Okay. This is one of a kind. You have the school logo. All right. So as you can see, the students are required to print the codes, print the images, print the output, and of course the system. They should save the system on CD. Okay. All right. Okay. Very good. Almost the same. Yeah. Oh, the details is different. Okay. Very good. Okay. All right. Okay. Very good, Leo. And about you? Oh, this one is better. So look at the details of her work. You can actually see the informations very clearly. And of course, the output. Okay. So the main thing is the form, right, must be at least 90% imperfection, as you can see. The alignments of the text box are okay. And also this one. Okay. So very good. So much similarity from other class. So I think we already know on the assessment and the evaluation if which student needs reinforcement and additional development on their program. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. So, okay, Dragon, did you have any problem on making the project? Which one? Which part? Okay, very good. Okay. How about you first? Did you had any problem? Okay. Okay. So, which part? Which part? Is it the design or the code? Oh, the code. So, they're having some problem with the codes. How about you, Bus? Did you had any problem? Oh, a little bit. Which part? The design or the code? Oh, the design. So actually, uh, most of the students actually understand the codes already, but the design in designing they lack the knowledge of designing the system. Okay. How about you? Is it the code or the design? Which part? Design or code? Code. Okay. Oh, how about Emerald? Which part of the program you had a hard time? Is it the design or the code? Okay, the code. So now analyzing the problem. Okay, so analyzing the problem uh, using the theories that we have learned in accordance with the curriculum, the course syllabus, and the lesson. So there is a need of reinforcement on the students' knowledge, on the active learning, the learning management. Okay, so what we're going to do now is when we proceed to lesson 3, we need some reinforcement and development of the knowledge of the student on lesson 3. But since only we are doing lesson 2, so we're going to focus on lesson 2. What I am doing here right now is explaining to the students the importance of using the theory of Jean Piaget, constructivist learning theory and active learning, that they can solve problems by collaboration. So the students will engage in collaboration so that they can get the idea of each other, and their classmate will inspect or see what is the problem of the other classmates' work. So this collaboration will help them improve their learning and their knowledge in developing their program. As you can see here, I grouped the students, 3 people per one group. Now they are discussing and collaborating what program is needed to improve. Is it the code or the design? Now, the importance of this collaboration is they will give each other's idea. They will share each other's idea, what is needed to change, to improve, and to develop. Okay, so as a review, the students are required to submit the requirements by printing their codes, their forms, and of course, so that I can check their database management system in my computer. So, as you can see here, there are so many projects. Okay. So this is one of their requirements for their midterm and final grade. So they need to submit it like this. So it's within their database program. Okay. Okay, so in the previous lesson, the lesson 1 is the adaptation, the application, and the simulation of the program. But now we're going to proceed with the lesson 2, which is the assessment, evaluation, reinforcement, and development. Now, the students are asked to collaborate with each other so that they can assist with each other what needs to be improved on their program. So as you can see here, they're trying to collaborate, okay? The collaboration between the students on what they can change on their system. Okay. So, do you agree with the collaboration?
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright, okay. Now, what are we going to do right now is to show the evaluation. We're going to use the form of data cleaning and pre-processing of data analysis. So each student will be assessed and evaluated using the data analysis. Now this is going to be in line with the PLC system. So we have the PLC system. Okay? Okay, class, thank you very much. Good luck to your collaboration. Alright? So don't forget to ask anything to your friends. Okay, so you can improve your program. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so your lesson 2 is the final draft of your system. Right? So you can use this in the future. Okay, class, thank you very much. Kapuna ka.